Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to enable and disable NFC on Redmi phones. So here I have Redmi Note 15 5G, is the same also for the Pro version and the other Redmi phones, and the question is, where is NFC? So if you go to the top bar, we don't have here the icon for NFC, but we can add it. For that, just tap edit, scroll, and here is the icon. Now tap on the plus sign and we have here now the NFC. Tap check and here is the icon. Now if you enable this feature, tap on it and now you can make payments with your phone very easily, and just hold your phone over the POS and pay with your phone. Okay, now if you press and hold on this icon, we have here also another features. You can enable or disable NFC. You can set the payment default. You can choose between SIM wallet or Google Pay. I will let on Google Pay. You can enable or disable NFC DND, and if you enable this feature, don't receive any notifications about unrecognized NFC tags. We have here the Mi Beam, and if this feature is enabled, you can place this device near another device that supports Mi Beam, and you can share web page, video, contacts, or more. And the last feature is Restore NFC functionality, and with this one, you can fix the issues that prevent you from using NFC features. So if you experience any of that issues, like you couldn't add or top up an NFC card, your NFC card didn't work, or other NFC features won't load, just tap yes and restore NFC functionality, then reboot your phone, and that's all. So this was my video for today. I hope to be useful for you. If you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.